Hi there guys, it's Vincent Bata here, back with another video tutorial on CashFX. So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your funds out of CashFX into your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, there are several wallets out there that you can use, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to use two, um, Luno wallet and the blockchain wallet. Okay, but again, there are several that you can use. There's Exodus to add to the list. There's Bread. I like Bread as well, and several others that you can use. It doesn't have to be, Luno or blockchain. Okay, but for this video, I'm just going to use these two, just basically to show you how or where to get your Bitcoin address. So before you can go ahead and withdraw here, you will need your Bitcoin address. Okay, so that they know where to send your funds or where to send your BTC. So all you do is, if using Luno, then when you log into if you logging in onto the desk on the desktop, okay, you're gonna see home, explore, wallets, rewards, etc. So you want to go ahead and click on wallets there, and then you will see this screen. Okay, so remember, if you're doing this for the first time, it's the first time you're logging into Luno, then you won't have any wallet here. You just have ZAR. So all you have to do is click on add new wallet. Okay. You're going to click on add new wallet. So in my case, because I already have BTC and Ether here, but for this example, remember, in your case, if you're logging in for the first time or you are going to receive funds for the first time, this would be, for example, Bitcoin, all right, BTC. So you just click on your BTC there, and then they'll tell you, let's create your Bitcoin Cash wallet. In your case, Bitcoin wallet. You'll need this wallet to store your Bitcoin, right? And then you just click on create wallet. Now you see, this is, in our case, it's a BCH, etc., but you would have Bitcoin there. Now remember, CFX has to send you funds, so you will need that receiving address. So you just go ahead and click on receive here. Remember, that's the wallet we're looking for. That's the address we're looking for. So remember, you don't have a wallet address at this stage because it's for the first time, right? If that is the case with you. So you're just going to click on create new address. Then you can name your address basically anything you want. Okay, let's just say crypto professor. Okay, crypto professor. All right, and then you go ahead and click on create, and then there you go. And this is my Bitcoin Cash address, but in your case this would be Bitcoin address. Okay, so now you just click on copy. Okay, and then, but in my case, because I actually want to show you this in real time, I'm going to just come here and then click on that BTC, and this is obviously this is not my wallet, it's just an example. And then I'm just going to click on copy there, then it's copied. Okay, and if you are using blockchain, then where you get your wallet address here is up here on top, just next to blockchain.com. You'll see send, and there's request. So you just click on request there. Again, make sure that it's Bitcoin here, because they also have a few other coins listed, but by default there will be Bitcoin there. So you just, again, go ahead and just click on that, the two sheets of papers there that you can see. Just click on that and it'll copy your Bitcoin address. Okay, and then you want to go ahead now and go to CashFX again, wallet, and then now you want to go to account and Bitcoin wallet. Remember, you'll be saving it for the first time, right? You'll be doing this for the first time, so you have to save it. So you're going to go to account again and then Bitcoin wallet. Then once you're here, you're just going to paste it. There will be nothing there. There's something in my case, but you will go ahead and paste Okay, and then two-factor authentication, and then 946. This is to confirm the Bitcoin address. Okay, and then click on save. Now your changes have been saved. So you have now saved your Bitcoin address. Now you can go ahead and withdraw so that they know where to send your Bitcoin. Okay. Now you just go to finance, request withdrawal. So again, you're going to write the amount here. You'll see your amount here, the balance, or even when you go to your dashboard will also tell you how much you have that you can withdraw. So in my case, I have $300 that I can withdraw, same as you saw on that other page. So again, I'm going to go ahead. I'm just showing you different ways to see your balance or where else your balance is displayed. Okay, so I'm just going to click on $300 here and then submit. So I'm going to have to authenticate this withdrawal just to make sure that it's me and I'm like I'm sure and that I really want to withdraw. Okay, so 914976, and then I hit confirm. Then you'll see request accepted. That is it. That's it. So from this point on, you're just gonna wait on your withdrawal. But what's gonna happen is they will send you an email. I'm sure they've already sent an email now. I'll show you in a bit. So you'll see here, once you've hit submit, it'll already redirect you to this page, and you'll see the pending. You'll see it'll say pending, the amount that you just withdrew, the fee, the amount paid, and the request date, and of course the date paid out, which in our case they haven't paid anything yet. They haven't paid us out yet because we just requested the withdrawal. And you can also go ahead and cancel it if you want. And the other thing too is the withdrawals, it takes 24 to 48 hours. Exceptionally, it can be up to 72 hours, but usually it's like within 24 to 48 hours. And some days it's like really quick. So if you request it and a day goes by, you haven't received it, don't be alarmed. They still want to process it. It's still within the withdrawal time frame. So of course, once you have withdrawn, here's the other thing. Once you change your, whenever you change your Bitcoin address, they always send you an email to inform you that you've changed your Bitcoin address to this particular one, just in case, just to make sure that it's you that actually, made the changes. Obviously, security, they take it, very seriously. So they want to make sure that you are the person that requested to change the address, and they're making sure that you are aware of this. So that's why they send you an email. Then again, after you have requested, as you can see, they will send you an email to this effect as well, to say you've requested a payout of so much to your Bitcoin wallet, and then they write it there, or they put it there. So you always know what's going on in your account. Okay, so that's basically that. And the moment the withdrawal is processed, then I'll receive an email as well that your withdrawal request has been completed. Then you know that you are good to go. So that is it for this video. If you found it useful and informative, do go ahead and give it a like, and also subscribe to my channel as I put out a lot of video tutorials. So make it a great one. This is Vincent Mbata signing off. Bye, guys.